Guys, welcome to another review from CarAndTech. So this time I'm unboxing the Galaxy A05. This model is actually currently available in India for a price of 11,000 rupees, that is 10,999, with some offers going on. And this is actually the 6GB 128GB. I had actually set up this phone previously. And this runs the One UI OS from Samsung. So basically there's nothing in the box, the phone, and we have a SIM ejector pin over here. So you have to take it like that. And then yeah, we have one more packet inside. And this has some instruction leaflets and also one Type-C cable. So that's a Type-C to Type-C cable, which Samsung is giving you with the box. But there's no charger in the box. So that is what we get inside the box. So about the specs, it has a 6.7-inch screen and the 50 megapixel camera, as I told you, and it has a 4GB or 6GB RAM available. And it comes with the MediaTek processor, and it has a 5000 mAh battery with this 25 watt fast charging, but only you can fast charge it using Samsung charger. And this is actually a 4G phone. There is no 5G support, and it has a dual SIM support also. So now coming to the phone, guys, this phone does not have a fingerprint sensor. It has just, you can unlock the phone using the code or the pattern which Android provides, so that is no fingerprint scanner. And this has a dual camera setup, and it is 50 megapixel main camera and an 8MP front camera, and it has a 5000 mAh battery which supports 25 watt fast charging. But there is one more issue with that. You can get the fast charging only if you use the proprietary Samsung charger. You cannot actually use any other fast charger, because I think Samsung has put some kind of circuitry inside the board, so that if you use any other fast charger, the phone won't detect it as fast charging. So you have to buy definitely the Samsung fast charger for using it for fast charging. So let me unlock this device. So as you can see, this runs on the One UI operating system from Samsung, and the OS actually after the update it seems a little bit smoother, but before, when I was installing the apps in the phone, it was very laggy. But after using it for a couple of days, after all the apps being installed, it is actually lag free now, but not, I would say, not much lag free, but it's okay. As you can see, this is it. This is how the OS works. But I would say it is not a premium phone, so it lacks some premium features, as you can see. And the camera is okay. I would say it is not a great camera. So guys, after using this phone for about a week, I find a little bit of scratches on the plastic back which is there, but I suggest you to use a cover so that you can protect the phone from the scratches. And it is a fingerprint magnet also, where it easily catches your fingerprint. And the screen, I would say the screen is the highlight of this phone. Even though it is not a full HD screen, the clarity and the pixels are very good. And for a person who just uses the phone for not a rough use, you can who just wants to use the phone for WhatsApp or calling and to check mail, this is the phone that they can buy. But for any heavy use like gaming or other aspects of multiple or multitasking and all those kind of stuff, I won't recommend this phone. But other than this phone has great call quality. The speaker quality is great, and the signal or the network reception is also great. The camera is not decent, it's just an average camera. Only if you have good lighting it works. There is no wide angle lens also in this camera, in this phone. And basically this is just a normal phone for the normal person who just likes to have another phone with him when the main phone fails off. So this is the unboxing and review of the Samsung A05, which is available in India and other countries. So if you like this overview, please don't forget to hit the like button, and obviously please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.